Alright, welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean Freedom of the Seas. I want to give you a quick tour of our junior suite that we have. We're on deck 10. Right down there is the elevator, so it's not too far away from the elevator. It is room 1656, and like I said, it is a junior suite. So coming on in, give you an idea where we're at on the map here. So right here is the elevator, and we are right there where that red dot is, so just not too far. About, I'm going to say about 3 or 4 rooms. Majority of these rooms on this side, on the Ocean View side, are junior suites, owner suites, different suites like that. So it's only about, like I said, the 3rd or 4th room down. So as you walk in, as with most cabins, you got the light switch here on the right hand side, and then the bathroom is here. I'll give you a quick tour of the bathroom. You do have a bathtub, with it being a junior suite, and then you have your additional towel racks and your toilet, and then the standard vanity. And once again, you got storage behind the mirrors here on both sides. One of the features junior suites do have are they have a full closet on this. This is a Freedom class ship, being Freedom of the Seas, but you do have a full closet, so lots of storage in here. You got multiple shelves here, and then you got your hangers, and then you got 2 additional hangers here. And then really, we store, if we don't store our suitcases under the bed, we put them in here in the closet. So plenty of room in the closet. You get your light switch here for the closet. Then on the right hand side, before we go into the bedroom area, is you have a full length mirror here on this side. Your thermostat is over here by the desk area, and then on the left hand side you've got your safe and several shelves over here in this closet area. And then next to the desk you've got drawers on each side, plus a desk drawer here in the middle, so essentially there's 4 on each side. And then once again, if you've seen some of my past tours, you've seen behind the mirrors there's a nice area to store some items here, and that is on both sides of the mirror. On the right hand side here you have the bed. You can have that separated or pushed together. We have it pushed together this week. And then also each side you have your lamps. You got a spotlight lamp and then the regular lamp. So a couple items, or a couple one on each side there. Then you have your nightstand, one on each side with a drawer in it. And this side over here has the phone on top of it. But one of the nice features about this type of phone is it does have a USB plug-in, so you're able to charge your phone at night and leave it on the nightstand. Also, this is a master switch, so it will turn the lights on and off. So you can leave the lights on until you get into bed, and then hit this switch and it'll turn those off. Alright, coming back over to the desk area. Down below here you have your refrigerator slash cooler. I said sometimes they're cooler than others. And that was not too bad, but they don't get, some of them don't get real cold. Then you have your TV, and you have a storage shelf up here. As far as plug-ins on the desk, this being it's not a real old ship, but it's not the newest ship, so you don't have any USBs for charging your phones here. You've got a European style, you've got 2 American plugins. So, all right, this is an adjoining room to the room next door. So if you do have additional passengers on board and need 2 rooms, you could get the room next door, open this up, and have adjoining rooms. Another feature about the junior suites are you have the Lavazza coffee machine. So you can make espresso coffee. It's got the pods here. You can also do teas and hot water with it. So that's a nice feature of the junior suites. Then you have the living area. You got the chase lounger here, and then a table, and then a couch here. Also going on the balcony, you see it's a little bit wider of a balcony. You got the extra window here versus the standard doors here. We're in the Port of Miami today. I haven't set sail yet, but it's a kind of a gloomy, rainy day. It's been storming all day. But I'll show you the balcony. It's a larger balcony with that extra. There's that extra window over there, so it gives you a couple loungers here. And then you also have your 2 chairs and the table here. The chairs used to lay back and sit up more upright, but they've been zip tying these lately, I assume, because someone probably fell and they've done that on all the ships lately. So, give you a quick view of the port here in Miami. See downtown Miami there. And there's Royal Caribbean's terminal right here, the parking garage. So down there's downtown Miami. So we're about, I'd say midship. It's considered on the aft, but right there you can see the hump out. That'd be a midship. So we are in the rear, the aft of the ship. I'll give you one more quick view of the room as a whole. So it's a nice sized room, a lot bigger than just an Ocean View balcony room. But I do have a tour of an Ocean View balcony room that I just recently did. I'll leave a link to that below so you can compare that with this room. And invite you to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, or you don't miss any of our future content. We got a lot of room tours, casino tours, traveling island tours, especially dining and also gambling. So, all right, like I said, if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to subscribe. If you like this video, like what you saw, appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. And also comment down below any thoughts you have on the room or any other videos you would like to see, and I'll try to get those filmed for you. All right, we'll see you on the next one.